Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting Automix now. Pick the playlist or album you want mixed and open now playing. Tap the three-dot menu, then enable Automix immediately. Choose a mix length and set crossfade time. These parameters control transition smoothness and total mix duration. Once enabled, Automix analyzes track BPM, key, and energy to plan transitions. That's why choosing similar tempo tracks gives cleaner blends. Make adjustments now, so the next steps run faster and transitions sound natural. Now refine how Automix stitches songs together. Increase crossfade for smooth long blends or shorten it for punchy edits. Reorder tracks before mixing if you need a specific progression. Automix respects playlist order but adapts transitions based on audio analysis. If a song feels out of place, remove it or use play next to cue a better fit without interrupting the mix. Once done, listen through a full cycle and tweak crossfade, in order to preserve energy and harmonic coherence. Finish by previewing the full Automix, and if satisfied, save the mixed playlist or start a radio based on it. If you hear awkward cuts or silence between songs, reduce the crossfade slightly or swap out the track causing the issue. Sometimes a big tempo/key jump breaks the mix. If Automix won't enable, restart the music app in your device and make sure iOS and Apple Music are updated. That restart resolves most glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.